Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor Magic4 Lite to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing completely free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other smartphone. Finally, choose Receive on an Android and Send on Honor. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and finally hit Send. This way you will select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. On an Android, you need to click on Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Now we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then click on Receive button. As you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!